Hello, guys. So we're gonna learn about factors. And welcome to Pi Academy. We're learning math. It's easy and fun. So let's get started with factors. So in our previous video about the intro of multiplication, we talked about factors. Now we're going to learn about factors, but it's a little bit different. It's a little bit similar, actually. So what are the factors of 10? So what I mean by the factors of 10 is what number times the number that also equals 10 when we swap it. When you swap it, like for example, if it's 5 times 2, you can swap it. It's 2 times 5. It's the same thing as addition. So if you wanted, so blank times blank equals 10. So we have to find what is going to be what factors could be for 10. So let's do some division here. 10 divided by 5. Let's do a test with all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's try number 1. So number 1 could be divided. So 1 is a factor. 2, if you divide 10 by 2, it equals 5. So 2 checks. And also 10, because 1 times 10 equals, same number. When you try to do another number with these, it doesn't match. So the only factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10 itself. Now let's do another one. Let me do another one. Let's do it, guys. So the number that we're gonna do here is 24. And make sure that you're following along with us, or you won't know. So our next number is 24. So let's do a test. From these form our 6, and then we'll go on. So 24 divided by 1, that will equal 20. Or as we said when we did 10, 24 divided by 2, yep, it equals 12. 24 divided by 3, yep, it equals 8. 24 divided by 4, yep, it equals 6. So, yes. So we got all of that. Now let's do the next numbers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 times 3 equals 24. 10, and not these, not 7, not 9, not 10, not 11, but 12, because 2 times 12 equals 24. And let's go on with 24. So all of these that are x's are not factors. And all of the ones that are checks, that correct mark, are factors. And then let's do one more question so that you can get the full mind what I am talking about. You could use a times chart if you want to. You can pause if you want to. Yeah. So our next number is, ours is gonna be a little bit too hard, I guess. This one is gonna be fewer with fewer factors. It is 27. So what would you think? Well, let's look over these. You know, one is in everything. So yes, and 27 divided by 3, yes. So nope. 9, yes. 27 itself, yes. That was only 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. It turns out to be 4. So now we did our 3 practice questions. Now you know factors. In the next video, we're going to learn about prime numbers, which, yeah, they're almost the same thing as this lesson. But I hope you have a good day and goodbye. And make sure to like, subscribe, and share to those who don't know about this. Well, bye.